So hi, I'm Adam, curator of the museum, looking after all of its items and the island's history. This long case, or commonly known as a grandfather clock, it was manufactured in 1832 by Frederick Barrow of London. It's quite a unique clock actually, because it has a twin which is located at Plantation House, and it's very rare for a clock in this period to have two of the exact same made. So what makes this particular clock special is that first of all it was made for the Ladder Hill Observatory on St Helena to keep the time there. So because it's a pendulum clock, otherwise known as a regulator, it keeps excellent time, being almost 200 years old. As long as we remember to wind it regularly once a week, the time is very accurate. After the Ladder Hill Observatory closed, this clock actually moved to the Time Office, which was located on the Castle Terrace, and that was where there was essentially a large stick with a big ball on the top of it, and at 37 minutes past 12 and 10 seconds local time, the ball would drop from top to the bottom, and that signified to everyone that it was exactly GMT 1 o'clock. So that was a way of basically telling the time on the island before the days of the internet and electric clocks and all that kind of stuff. So a very important clock, because this was the clock responsible for telling that time. After that, the Time Office closed, this actually moved to the castle foyer where it stood for many years. And then after that it moved to the museum.